Chapter 1. Reasons why we need digital campaign using Facebook ads. Before we start, I need to ask you a question. If you are running a business, whether it is digital or non-digital, what is the best way to boost your selling? If you are answer promotion, yes, you are right. Promotion is the best way to emphasize your business to the next level. The main problem, what is the best promotion that works? There is a lot style of promotion, and I will recommend you digital campaign using Facebook ads. With Facebook ads, you can reach lots of segmented customers all around the world or just in the selected area, with variety of campaign approach. You can choose the sex, age, behavior, and variety of campaign style, from new campaign until retargeting campaign. Facebook ads is a digital campaign advertising medium aimed at Facebook users as its audience. Ad placement usually on the homepage or sidebar. Also, there are several types of advertisements provided by Facebook ads, with options to use image or video ads. Facebook also has several ad categories from its purpose, for example, impression, traffic, lead and so on. Besides having a large amount of users' activity from year to year, Facebook ads also has various advantages as a reliable advertising platform for your business. In the next videos, I will guide you to learn and understand the advantages of Facebook ads. Here are some basic reasons you need to know and understand why we create digital campaign using Facebook ads. If you are already adept at choosing your advertising audience, Facebook will provide a cheap advertising price. Reason 1. Highly effective. No one would have guessed in 2004 that Facebook would become what it is today. With more than 2.2 billion monthly active and close to 1.5 billion daily active users, Facebook is a major part of people's lives. This is a trend that is not going to change anytime soon, as we continue to ride the waves of the information era. At the current time, Facebook is known as one of the top digital advertising channels. You can check in this chart that Facebook annual revenue is increasing year by year. Facebook has seen a steady increase of advertising revenue year over year in the last decade because Facebook ads work. And almost every day as a consumer we discovered new product sale using Facebook advertising. With this course, I will help you to understand the complex art to create a highly effective Facebook ad. We understand that the world's population in the earth has internet access. So, the potential for growth on Facebook is really awesome as more people gain access to internet. And for us, it will be beneficial because they will use the best way to connect with the consumer and generate. Reason 2. Fast results. Setting up a Facebook ads is not easy and not complex. You just need a little time and can yield excellent results for your business. With right product and right campaign, you can produce a great ROI and it will happen very quickly. That is why you see Facebook ads for small local businesses as well as large corporations. It is quite simple that anyone can log on to Facebook and create a business manager account, set up payment method, and publish the campaign in minutes. Just like that. Note that Instagram placement had a CPC of $1.15 in Q4 2017, while desktop newsfeed placement in the same quarter had a CPC of only about $0.50. Check this chart. It shows variations in CPC, cost per click, throughout the year on different placements, using data from 2017. So you don't need an extraordinarily large budget to get started, and compared to running ads on other digital channels such as Google, getting started with Facebook ads is quite simple. You can boost a single post to reach users directly from your Facebook page, or you can create a more complex campaign that targets custom audiences and produces even greater results with the Business Manager. I hope after learning this course, you will be confident on how to use Facebook Business Manager to create a winning campaign in Facebook. Reason 3. Ideal audience. Without a doubt, Facebook is the biggest social media platform with lot of active users. So, it will be a very great way to reach your ideal audience. Facebook provides tons of detailed ways to reach specific people based on their behavior on your website, their known likes, engagement with your Facebook page, and other various elements of their demographic, such as age, gender, and location. So, you can create extremely granular audiences that produce a high impact using Facebook ads. With this targeting options available to you as an advertiser, Facebook is the perfect channel for reaching your ideal audience. Reason 4. Highly customizable. You can design and customize the ad experience to attract your perfect audience. That is because Facebook has a wide range of ad formats to choose. You can create a compelling video ad that millennial cat owners can't resist watching, or an immersive canvas ad for senior citizen cat owners that explain every detail and benefit of your cat food product, for example. We will learn and explore the different Facebook ad types in the next chapter. But for now, let's understand how many campaigns objective that provided by Facebook. You can choose different objectives based on our personal goal. Customize your ad design, copy, landing pages and every other element such as target audience and others. These options make Facebook as the most customizable advertising platform, allowing you to create specific ad experiences. Reason 5. Always update with new feature. Finally, this last reason is the most important. Facebook is constantly adding more features and improving user experience for both advertisers and normal Facebook users. This is a large part of why Facebook has sustained growth for so long. It is always providing more value. In 2018, we saw many changes on the platform that impact advertisers, from new carousel ads for Instagram stories to categories for dynamic ads. With all of these Facebook updates, we can expect that Facebook continues to make their ad network more powerful and easier to use. The faster you learn to advertise on Facebook, the sooner you will unlock the full potential of social media advertising. The best way to start learning about Facebook ads as a beginner is to just set up your Facebook Business Manager account and get in there and create your campaign. Let's go to the chapter 2.